Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris coming at you with another video today. Today's going to be a how to basic video, kind of going over the basics of a mod or tank, in this case a kit. This is actually the OBS Cube Kit. We just did a video on this, I did it, and just kind of going over the basics of it. Today we're going to get into a little bit more detail and show you how it works and how to change the coolant in your tank. Just a few basic things. So here you have your Cube Kit. Nice looking, you got your fire buttons right there. This one's going to be your fire button. This one's going to be your up wattage button, and this one's going to be your down wattage button. There's your micro USB, which you're going to use to charge this, as this is a internal battery. And on this side, cube, another resin plate. And here's your screen right here. You could go ahead and take the tank off, so it'll burn the coil, showing you the menu. Really basic little mod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the nice OBS logo right there, and there's your screen. Now to adjust the wattage on this, it has a lock function, so whenever you press the fire button, it's going to say no atomizer because there's no tank on top. To unlock it to change the wattage or anything, you have to either press the up or the down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. See the little lock right there went away. And as I press the fire button again, you'll see it locks, and I can press both side buttons, it doesn't move. 1, 2, 3. Basic. So pretty basic, just 3 clicks to change the wattage up and down, and it round robins, so that's nice. Only one basic mode, wattage mode right there. You have your ohms, your volts, and your puffs, how long your last hit was. Nice little simple mod. Now getting into the tank, you have it right here. Nice looking little cube tank. You have your airflow control right there on the bottom. Slides to and fro to open it up. And then to open up the tank to fill it up, you're going to give this a little half twist. It just lifts right up. Has a little kind of notches that you line up, spin around to where you find it, push down, another half turn. It's nice and tight and sealed. So to change the coil on this, you're going to want to press down on the little tank top, slide it over to where it catches. Nice thing is, it's not just going to spin off. It has a nice little catch, so then you can turn counterclockwise and just spin that out. It comes apart like that. There's your coil. If you're changing an old coil to a new coil, all you're going to do is spin counterclockwise, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and drop the coil. So then you're going to throw away the old coil, bring out the new coil, and just spin it right in. There you go. And if it's a new coil, if you want to get back to vaping faster, just give it a little bit of priming on there. Just drop a little bit of juice on the cotton. Then you just twist it all back together. Makes a nice solid connection. And then, so yeah, that's how you get your tank together, how you change the coil. And that's the OBS Cube Kit. So is this something that's interesting to you? Come on down, check it out. I'll see you guys around.